What exactly is mindset? These are the things which you already mentioned. Combine them, that's a mindset. So what is mindset? One of the things I'm doing, I'm writing a book. I've already written 3 books. This is my 4th book, and it's called Millionaire Mindset, How to Achieve Your Financial Freedom and Become Unstoppable. So what I'm doing with that, and actually I started putting this together when I was broke. So I thought, how can I get out there and know how the rich people think and how they make money? So what I did, I started contacting all the millionaires I knew, them through my network, and I started interviewing them. So by now it's around about 77 millionaires I've interviewed, and my target is to do at least 100. And then all the summary of how they think, how they feel, how they act, I put together a summary. And there are common themes in each and every one of them. The main one being is self-belief, that they are not in this world to get involved in the rat race. They are in this world to do something special. First of all, they believe they are special. So that's the first point. But then once they decide what they want to achieve in their life, then they go about it. Commitment, ultimate commitment, like nothing in the world can shake them. They will go onto that path. And then Nelson Mandela says, I never lose. Everyone aware who Nelson Mandela is? I never lose, I either win or learn. So that's the mentality. Now I'm reading Nelson Mandela on one side, and then I'm talking with millionaires. They're saying the same things but in their own words. And what I learned is they commit. They first understand what their skills are, what their passions are, and how they can get out in the world and convert that into, or transform that into a business. Then they commit, no matter what, because I have same philosophy, I never lose. If I lose, I learn. Okay? So if you have that kind of mentality, then you are going to start a new journey, and you're going to have so much fun. So commitment, passion, self-belief. And then when you have self-belief, you mentioned vibrations. Now, so many people call it woo-woo stuff, like doesn't work, like law of attraction and spirituality and this and that. But trust me, if you change your mind, you can do 1 week experiment. Okay, 1 week experiment, become totally new guy. Wake up in the morning and say, I'm going to be not the normal me, I'm going to be this new me. I'm going to look at the world completely different way, and I guarantee you we're going to have different experiences, better experiences. Because what happens, the systems teaches us how to become trapped in a box. Okay, so what we do, we've learned something, we've done a degree, and then we are working, or we have a job. But we don't see opportunities other than what we know. And that's the small box. There's unlimited opportunity in this world. When you have that mentality, you open the box, big thinking, and then these ideas would flow, and you won't even believe it, how quickly that can happen. So the most important part is mindset, but this is the biggest part. In my point of view, 95% success comes from this. You know these things because you mentioned these things, but the problem comes when we have to practically implement it. You're going to go to your homes, okay? You're going to get involved in your life, your wife, your kids, your boyfriend, girlfriend, your daily routines. You're going to get involved in that, and then another day, then you will wake up again and say, ooh, I decided something, or I want to do something in life. But that's only like 10 minutes out of your, I don't know, 24 hours. That's not going to make difference. So when you take that success mentality and implement on all of your daily routines, on your life, that's when the magic happens. So this is really important. For you guys, I would say make small changes in your daily routines.